Cup mu primary, mu secondary, tertiary institution tuteke Omukama Cup. Habwe kigendere wa kirinti obokuba no yetaga omuntu kumuihamu abirungi bye byine byemizano no mukwata akyali hansi. So twatandikira hansi ngo mu primary, twata Omukama Cup beja bagitera mu secondary, hatu beire time twagaruka mu masaza no boine team ya manu mun. Kandi mu maiso haho with the advice from our dear Prime Minister, naitwe Nkatoro region yao mbwiro butali bwahara ntwetaga tuheye team egende mu super ije Kampala, kandi eyo talent mu bana baitu erimu ebisembo babine baitu hati obutukutunga nka ebitongole nka Tayari West TV bikaija bukatkwateraho tokumanya oli bakwamba mulika a TV na timu ezindi nzimurora nzigamba akakana nkachanga kurungi mpira ako. So ebi byona ntubisima kandi ntubasaba nti ntuija twetekanize kukora nainywe kurora ngu tweyimucha ebyemizano mu Toro Kingdom kandi no mu Western yona ogitwaliza hamu. Mwebale mno.
Yes, webale mnonga Honorable Francis Kateba kandi akiki atuoki runda nyowe ni nyende mpango mpako apuro mpira pu Prime Minister agwenda kumperezeri akiki koko basakanubwe wa uryono tekaho Tayari West turiyo ntuteka umukono ahandiko cyukamya omukago gwitu nka TV kandi na radio bya Tayari Media hamwe na Obukama bwa Toro, kandi iki ni cyamya kwebuzuma kuturije kuba nitwe turukwereke mpira live yamasaza yo mwakogwe yamasaza ga Toro imanyiro nka MTN Kabode Toro Kingdom masaza games hamwe mpira gwebigere hamwe na ubwo kubaka Waragamba yari engineer Kateba Francis, kandi kwebuzuma yahamya karabe ni kwakuba haza kuba nahabaho emizane ndijo kandi imanyirwe nka Clans Cup jeje yenganda nayo ntuje kugira okutwara giganira haza kwija kandi hijagarkana habaho Omukama Cup erabenezandwa umashomero gona kuruga umu primary kuzana na umu mashomero gahiguru umatendekira gahiguru nanyenda kushaba enganzi ningashimuhikirwa ningashimungereza Prime Minister w'Obukama bwa Toro the Honorable Calvin Armstrong agire ebiyagambaho nawe den nabwanyuma tuteko mukono ahabandikebe.
Webale mnonga Toro otyo muno emyenda yatoli nywena nsemeriro muno kurora nkero kino tuli maiso ganyu ntuba manyisa omukago okutuliyo ntugenda kuhandika tugenda kusaininga omukago gwa Tayari Media no Obukama bwa Toro. Ekandiko kino kikarugira hamunywani bwito tubere twina na Right Honorable Deputy Speaker Bunyoro Tayebwa twatanga ine mirundi nyingi ntubazaho omukago guno mbulingo twara kutweka mu maiso baitu ijweri president yali mu Western Region kaija ya bongero Omukama akikali twatunga nawe ekihuro mu rubazo twabalezeho nawe kimwa bintu twabagambira niko kutandika omukago guno kururangu twayongera mu maiso Obukama bwa Toro mu bwiro talibwa hara ntulengaho naito kurura twatunga TV yeitu na radio yeitu baitu takahikire heki twatunga omukago hati na Tayari West Media kurorangu batwatariraho kurorangu twatandika processing keno ya mpira masaza nko kubagambire twine Omukama Cup kujya kubaho neteraniza abana b'amasomero then haruho enganda mpira y'enganda baitu ibindi tukurora n'ibyo bintu nka magali ebikonde ebigwo ebyona tujya kubantu bikora kandi tumanya tujya kubantu tweteranizweho na Tayari Media baitu kandi nyo ekinkurore ekikwijja kikaruga mu bintu nko mukago nkaguno kutukozere nebyo nko burwaire bwa HIV and AIDS obutwina obutukumanya ngo abantu baitu bali kubyo mu byaro ntujya kubantu koza platforms zino kurorangu twamanyisa abantu ebintu nkebi interventions in case from our Ministry of Health na Ministry of Tourism nija kuba nebagambire bya barambuzi twine mpango irukwezi 12 September obu nimbaraliza kwijye nywena mbwingi hampangegi ija kuba mpango ya miaka 30 baitu partnership yenu twina na Tayari Media nija kuba ne highlightinga ebintu nkebi na yoleka ebintu nkebi twina programs twina mu kama ntwenda kusima muno MTN Kabode program ege kusagika kurora ngo twateka umupira wa masazi yenu nko kutubamanyisize emyaka 3 yehingwire MTN betwatirire ntukoragana nabo ntubaletere impira ya masazi guno mwaka muno rwakana nabatusagika program wenu bagiesere MTN Kabode bayine simu yabo bakumarketinga ne kozesa data sasora yo nungi so ntutima muno MTN kurora ngo yatwetekaho kurora ngo ne leta program nkegi betu ya grabia mu mpira yetu ya masaza na support yetu haire ekindi muno kinkwenda kusimira MTN ekahura urukabasija yakitekereze kiyalisire yagamba tuteke mu mpira y'abakazi abwaka abasija bonke emyaka 3 so kutandikana guno omwezi buri kwezi 8 twino mpira gwa basija ogwa masaza twino mpira gwa bakazi ogwa masaza so MTN collaboration yegi ntukisima Tayari Media ntusima muno kurora ngo twabiteranzaho irakali yetu kulitwara mbantu ko kumbasorolire kintu tukiri just mpira gwonka tujya kwantu bazaho overweight ntubazaho tourism potential mu bikaro yetu ntubazaho programs za kusoma bamukama ijweri akagaba ekatano ya za government twabaza na president ntumanya tujya kwatandika stadium yo kombeka stadium international stadium Toro kandi ntubantu niherangu mu mayisomero tugenda Tayari Media ija kuba a sustainable partner mu nkoraganege so mutu yomuno kutuliriza kandi katunihire umupira gwijya kuba go singe kandi go businguzi mutu yomuno
amina otyo muno muhikirwa Armstrong. Yes, amazina ndiye Didi Nyakahangura kandi nyine Right Honorable Calvin Armstrong nganzi yo kama bwa Toro kandi amukono gwanje gwa mushokuherukayo ni Honorable Francis Kateba ugurumene wegese eminyeto hamwe n'ebyemizano umubukama bwa Toro kandi izoberi turiyo tuteko mukono aha cyandikwe cy'urukamya umukago gwito nka Tayari West TV hamwe na nakineri nakatonyezo 0 Tayari FM ninga nka Tayari Media nka group yona umukago gutwine hamwe n'obukama bwa Toro kandi koko bagamba ntusha kwandi baretereje mpira yona live tandikane 8 ebyo kwezo ko kutwatandika kututandikire izoberi yanyumwazyo ryo kwa mukaga kandi ija kuba nehwa ukwamwenda kuri kutandika turukwetebekanize mpango kana yiturarete butunu ningashi live konkaru activities zindi nkaza medical camps ntukubanza baretero makuru gita genshonga abo kuba Toro nemwe hamyanya yitwine interest yamani twine yo munyamakuru ariyo twire yaine nangwana nebya live ningashi byo kureta ebishano butunu nyakisiki ni mukorese mnonga she's very reliable haro ene activities ezimuyinoko nka health camps usually tukaturiyo butuba rukwirukangira marathon ya River Mpanga we were there na nobuturabe nebya tourism nka Tayari Media ntuje kugurebuka ngo ebintu byana twagumana tubireta abantu kwebuzuma bamanyu burungi bwa Toro beyond ebibari kurra bitubareba na ebiriyo so nani shaba kiri kukurataho we are going to sign tuza kusigninga then kuturaheze ntuje kuba nutugaruka mu studio na naba tuyoniche extra bunka tutakagarikireyo na nishaba tuteko mukono ahabhandike bi kuhamya umukago gwito nyenda kusima MTN Prime Minister yaba na signinga nyenda kusima MTN abo kugira ngo ne hagera ebintu ebi kandi ni shaba ngo eje even on board kuhagera na za media houses zitari zumwe na zumwe ahabwo kuba itwenka Tayari Media hati ni to abantu bari kureba mu ruburenge rwizoba and beyond ahabwa good coverage yitu na nyenda ngo tuteko mukono ahabhandikwe ebi then tuhendere program age.
Yeah, I want to take this opportunity to thank the management for Tayari West TV for this opportunity of supporting Toro Kingdom in the MTN Kabode Masaza Cup, the 4th edition 2025. The Masaza Cup is slated to start or begin on 8th, that is June, with Kibale County versus Chaka County, that is from Humora Playground. This time round, Rukirabasaija requested MTN to include netball, and we are thankful to MTN. They have included netball, so we shall be having football and netball. We expect this tournament run from June up to September, so we shall have our finals before Mpango. So we want to thank the management of Tayari West TV for partnering with the Toro Kingdom to support sports. We thank you very much.
I would like to thank the Right Honorable Speaker, Right Honorable Tayebwa, for this initiative, for partnering us with Tayari Media in the collaboration that we have with MTN Kabode Toro Kingdom Amasaza Cup. However, this is more and beyond merely a partnership with Tayari to cover the football, the Masaza matches. It is a meaningful partnership that will cover other aspects, including dissemination of information regarding HIV and AIDS and other kingdom projects that we are running, promoting tourism, as well as highlighting development projects, including, for instance, they recently offered 50 acres of land that the king offered to the government for building an international stadium in Toro. This partnership helps amplify our voice as a kingdom to ensure that our message is delivered directly to the people of Toro. And it would not have been possible had it not been for the good relationships that we have, both with the Right Honorable, but also with other stakeholders and development partners in Toro, which goes to emphasize the point that we can't perform a lot without uniting and working in partnership with others. For alone, we are not as strong as we can be when we have meaningful partners coming on board. And I would like to commemorate this moment because it's historical.
Very much.
And it's going to impact Toro in a very positive way, because going forward, our messaging will be directly broadcast to our people. And this includes interventions like in health, where we have vaccinations. Recently, we had the malaria vaccination campaign. And with this kind of partnership, that and will reach our people. And this is not only TV but also radio.
Radio, yes.
So that is going to be a game changer, and to ensure that our messaging goes directly to our people in terms of the projects that we are running and those that we plan to disseminate in future. So I'd like to thank Tayari Media for this. I would like to thank MTN for sponsoring the Masaza Cup, which is the advent of this relationship. And they have not only sponsored the football part of the Masaza Cup, but they've also sponsored the netball to make sure that the Masaza is well-meaning and encompassing, including inclusive of the other gender. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Wewe mnonga Prime Minister turukuhendera na ninyenda kuhamiza bona barono batureba oyihireho Toro Kingdom ningo bukama bwa Toro nutugumana twatanisa n'abantu bona edini zona enganda zona na kingdom zezindi ntuje kubane twija for example ntwenda kushikaho omuru bunyoro tukaganiraho no bukama bwa bunyoro already turi kuganira hamwe na obukama bundu bwona turukwija uko muri Kasese kandi tukagaruka tukaganira hamwe na abo businga bwa Rwenzururu na nabandi bona de Banyabindi, all groups of people. Tayari West niryo irakaryanyu nanisha bangu mutwishirira ko atiyo nabashaki bamakuru ombyange ebyo byona ebe nagambaho kandi mbwe muri amakuru gitu agenshonga koko basa kwa batogitaho Cherezi ninja kushaba ngu orebe amakuru agenshonga kurebe bitu akora obu abotakizere for now nanisha bangu twemerere turukuhendera then tuhendere program eji. Look forward to having a very fruitful relationship. Thank you. They ask me that I shake again. I get the pleasure to shake Thank you. Thank you very much. We look forward to having a very, very fruitful partnership as Tayari Media and Toro Content. Blessings. This is mine. I want to Michael. This is our head of commercial. I would like that to send as our head of commercial production. You didn't say him? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, please.
So echo cha and umukago kugendera kimwe kuri yojungu gwatugita n'abantu benshi binonga can't remember twineyo empango eriyo neija ebyo nabigendere kimwe kuri yojungu bya promotinga empango eriyo neija omumishwa ho kache ekintu kikora nko kwi Mr. Ididi agamba na buri bantu bona kandi na buri kitreka cyona so wori yoko aheru nonda nkech. It is very simple. Kutushikira then tukakorana iyo mukago tukatandikiraho ahandi murije
turije buzima turi kurunji to kutureba kamwenyo na sima smile ya Ronel izoba ija phantom refresh nkaburijo ubwere mande fresh na music yazina mashemerero gaine no shoti birthday boy biraramuko. How do you feel, sir? I'm feeling high. Niwe no kusara keke keke mwamurya bo kujindetera
no no basakira drum like ibyo kushara keke bitwire ubwire winji buno
already twahinduye akuba eco kubanza cabyona keke tukuza kwerundana kujishara hantu pamwe umuntu we nayo nekeko ye nanye tanza yo ndishara ndugayo nza handi